I suppose I should have put my teeth in, shouldn't I? Hello guys, how we doing? Oh, it's hot. I'm out on a stealth again tonight, but I'm not doing a video on the stealth itself. I've been sent a product by a wonderful company, so thank you very much for sending me this. I thought I would show you guys. I was quite impressed with it when I had a first look at it. MAX PUMP PRO 2, which in the title does sound rather impressive. This is what you get in your box. You get your pump there. You get your various attachments there, a little bag as well at the bottom, and a USB for charging it, and also you get your instructions there as well. Why I thought this was so good, right? Now, when you go camping, a lot of people tend to take air beds. They take inflatable dinghies, rubber rings, you may even take a paddling pool or something. You could even take an inflatable tent or awning. Now, obviously, with most of these products, and also, which I'll get onto in a minute, which is what I was going to use this for as well, is vacuum sealing, but we'll get onto that in a minute. Yes, obviously you want to inflate the various products you have. Now, obviously I had an air bed, and you can inflate various other things, obviously. And normally with those, you get these huge pumps that you have to carry around, and they take forever. They're really noisy. You usually have to have a power supply for them as well. So once you've got all that sorted out, you then obviously have to find somewhere else to pack that as well. Now, if you're on the move and you want to save space as much as possible, then I can see why this was such a great product, because it's not just a pump. Once you've recharged this, you can actually use this as a power bank as well. As you can see, it just literally fits into the palm of your hand. It's that small. It's even got a light, which is brilliant, because if you want a light in your tent, there's something else you don't need to have to carry with you. You've got it here. It's a 3-in-1. You've obviously got the pump, or 4-in-1. You can inflate and deflate, so you can rapidly deflate the item using the various adapters. You've obviously got your light as well, and the other thing, like I said just now, is that you can use it as a power bank. So if you take the little rubber thing out there, you've got a USB, so you can even charge your phone or other small items. I'm not quite sure what the output is, so yeah, I guess you'd have to have a look, but it does say it's good enough to charge an iPhone, which I guess is about 2 amps, isn't it? Something like that. But this item is available on Kickstarter at the moment, I believe. I'll put a link in the description down below. So thank you very much, guys, for sending me this. This is absolutely brilliant. I think it's amazing. For something this small, it is a bit loud, unfortunately, but it certainly kicks a punch. What I was going to do, which I was going to use it for in here, I basically got myself a set of vacuum bags. Let me get one out a minute. Let me finish the crunchy noises, and I'll show you what I mean. Right, here we go. That's quite a large bag. That's bigger than I thought. Never mind. Basically, what I was having a problem with is in this locker, it fills up really quickly with clothes and stuff. And I thought to myself, well, how can I get the stuff smaller so I've actually got more space in here? So they might be using this. So if I put the various items of clothing or what I need to pack small, I can put them in this and then use this to suck the air out, like so. I'll show you, look. So if you just unscrew that like that, put that on there, like that, and it'll suck out all the air out of the bag. And then you just put the little cover back on, and you've got loads of extra room. And I thought that's brilliant, because every little space is at a premium. And also, if you're going camping, right, if you're going camping and you want to pack all your clothes as small as possible into your backpack, you could get yourself some of these. Get yourself one of these, which is also your light and your power bank to charge your phone. So charge your phone, light up your tent, and even pack all your clothes nice and small so you can get it into your rucksack. Brilliant idea. So yes, very impressed with that, very impressed. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, much appreciated. So I will be doing some more videos on this one. Once I've had a chance to clear my locker out, I'll do a proper video on it, and you can see how good it is. I've come back to try to see how this actually works. So if I can get this into one of these bags, and then we'll try and squash it down and have a look. So this looks pretty big, so let's try that bag. Let's see how we get on with this one. I don't want to destroy the fibres in the sleeping bag, so I don't want to suck every piece of life out of it. But as you can see, that is brilliant. I am amazed. That's really good. As you can probably guess, I've never used one of these before, which is why I'm quite surprised. But as you can see, all I've used is this little pump and a set of these vacuum bags. Now, if that was a set of clothes to go into a rucksack, amazing. I mean, that's less than half the size that it normally is, so of the bag it normally goes in, so I'm well pleased. Anyway, that was just a quick overview of this one, basically. This is the MAX PUMP2 PRO. So I'll put a link in the description down below. Go over and definitely give them a look, because it's a great product, and I'm very glad they sent it to me, so thank you very much again. Flex Tail Gear it's called. That's the company. Flex Tail Gear. Yeah. See, nice box as well. Yeah, like I say, it's over on a Kickstarter at the moment, so I don't think it's had a full release as yet. So if you want to go over and give them some support and get yourself one of these, well worth it, definitely. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of the day. I'm trying the new Rode Go microphones, or new to me anyway, and so hopefully the audio was okay and I don't have to record it again. So love and light, guys. Have a great rest of the day. Get yourself one of these, and